Hi allesammen, hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss understanding Norwegian verb classes, regular and irregular verbs. Learning Norwegian can be an exciting and rewarding experience. One key aspect of mastering this language is understanding its verbs. In our discussion today, we'll explore the different classes of Norwegian verbs, conjugation patterns, and other essential information to help you become proficient in Norwegian. Norwegian verb classes. Norwegian verbs are broadly divided into two categories: regular and irregular verbs. Let's take a closer look at these two classes, the subgroups. So, first, regular verbs. So, regular verbs follow specific conjugation rules, which makes them easier to learn. They are further classified into two groups. Group 1, weak verbs. Weak verbs are the most common type of regular verbs in Norwegian. They usually end in er, er, er in the present tense and et, 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 or te, te, te in the past tense. For example, å jobbe, å jobbe, å jobbe, to work. Jobbe, 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 present tense. Jobbet, 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 past tense. Here is one example sentence. Hun jobber hardt hver dag. Hun jobber hardt hver dag. Hun jobber hardt hver dag. She works hard every day. Another verb. Å snakke, å snakke, å snakke. To speak. Snakke, 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 present tense. Snakket, 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 past tense. And one example sentence. De snakket om været. De snakket om været. De snakket om været. They talked about the weather. These verbs are pretty easy to learn as their conjugation patterns are predictable. Group 2, strong verbs. Strong verbs are less common than weak verbs but still follow regular conjugation patterns. They often change their vowel sounds in different tenses. For example, å finne, å finne, å finne, to find. Finne, 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 present tense. Fant, 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 past tense. For example, jeg fant nøklene mine. Jeg fant nøklene mine. Jeg fant nøklene mine. I found my keys. Å synge, å synge, å synge, to sing. Synge, 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 present tense. Sang, 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 past tense. For example, han sang en vakker sang. Han sang en vakker sang. Han sang en vakker sang. He sang a beautiful song. Memorizing the vowel changes in strong verbs is crucial for understanding their conjugation. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs don't follow a specific conjugation pattern and must be memorized individually. These verbs are less common than regular ones, but are often used in everyday conversation. Some examples include å være, å være, å være, to be, er, present tense. Var, var, past tense. There's one example sentence. Han er lege. Han er lege. Han er lege. He's a doctor. Å ha, to have. Har, present tense. Hadde, past tense. Example sentence. Hun hadde en hund. Hun hadde en hund. Hun hadde en hund. She had a dog. It's essential to practice using irregular verbs to become more comfortable with their unique conjugation patterns. Understanding Norwegian verb classes and their conjugation patterns is essential for mastering the language. By learning the differences between regular and irregular verbs and their various forms in different tenses and contexts, you'll be well on your way to becoming fluent in Norwegian. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.